Choosing right air conditioner. Air conditioners are essentially considered an essential gadget for every season. People no longer consider an air conditioner as a luxury, as it has become a part and parcel of every home, office, hotel, and almost all major places. Air conditioners are preferred as the dust and pollution from the rooms are completely eliminated. Air conditioners are available in different brands and capacities. They differ only on a few main grounds such as noise generated, capacity, and comfort. The most selective companies that make clear air conditioners are Carrier, Voltas, Panasonic, LG, Samsung, and to name a few more. Adding to this, the government has facilitated the people by asking air conditioner manufacturers to increase the energy efficiency rate, which has made buying easier. One has to calculate the minimum number of years people can expect to maintain their air conditioner and then arrive at the budget to buy an air conditioner. Energy-efficient rated air conditioners perform great and their cooling capacity is also rated well. These air conditioners are user-friendly and have electronic controls which can be accessed on Feather Touch. A beautiful bedroom of 100 to 150 square feet can be combined with affordable models. Affordable model air conditioners are also offered with features like cooling speed, timer, electronic touchpad and remote control. Large rooms of 18 by 20 feet require air conditioners with more features such as 4-way air deflection, digital temperature and electronic controls. Techniques have improved so well that the installation of these units is very simple in units like the main air conditioner and the light carcass on the window. Nowadays, air conditioners are available with a range of features like timer, remote control, speed fan with sleep settings, digital display, as well as a check filter which acts as a reminder and is a money saver as it turns off the compressor fan. Not working. Air conditioners are best bought keeping in mind a few things like one should calculate the area and then select the desired size of the air conditioner. A large room cannot be accommodated with a smaller unit because it will detract from providing adequate cooling. Similarly, very large air conditioners do not restrict moisture effectively. Since air conditioners are fixed installations, the weight factor of the air conditioner has to be considered. The lightest air conditioners weigh about 100 pounds. So choosing an air conditioner with a slide-in chassis makes installation easier. Consideration should be given to electrical fittings such as plugging 220 volts and especially the noise of the air conditioner. An expensive air conditioner will prove to be effective as it will save energy and even a light sleeper can sleep soundly. Hence it is necessary for one to make a purchase keeping in mind their convenience and convenience. Please subscribe our channel to know more about air conditioner facts. Please click on the bell icon for never miss updates. If you like this video, please like,